Hi, welcome to your lesson addition and number block. Let's start. 9,
I1 plus
8,
I1 equal
17, 3,
I1 plus
11,
I1 equal
14, 5,
I1 plus I1
18,
equal
23, 9,
I1 plus
14,
I1 equal
23, again, 4,
I1 plus
1,
I1 equal
5. It is so easy. 14,
I1 plus
19,
I1 equal
33, 7,
I1 plus
12,
I1 equal
19, 12,
I1 plus
1,
I1 equal
13, 19,
I1 plus
18,
I1 equal
37, 16,
I1 plus
6,
I1 equal
22, 19,
I1 plus I1 equal
21, 8,
I1 plus
8,
I1 equal
16, and the double 8 equal 16, 7,
I1 plus I1 equal
17, 3,
I1 plus
19,
I1 equal
22,
I1 plus
2,
I1 equal
19,
I1 plus
10,
I1 equal
14, 3,
I1 plus
4,
I1 equal
7, 12,
I1 plus
14,
I1 equal
26. Yet look in gentlemen. I want gentlemen. 9,
I1 plus
stolen.
I1 equal
Sorry. Equal 14, 20,
I1 plus
6,
I1 equal
26, 4,
I want blood.
4,
I want equal.
8, 2,
I want blood.
7,
I want equal.
9, 7,
I want blood.
19,
I want equal.
26, 7,
I want blood.
10,
I want equal.
17. It look a beautiful color and it very happy. I want beautiful and happy. 13,
I want blood.
20,
I want equal.
33, 15,
I want blood.
1,
I want equal.
16, 17,
I want blood.
3,
I want equal.
20, 12,
I want blood.
16,
I want equal.
28, 13,
I want blood.
16,
I want equal.
29,
I want blood.
1,
I want equal.
5. So easy. 8,
I want blood.
20,
I want equal.
28, 14,
I want blood.
13,
I want equal.
27, 15,
I want blood.
17,
I want equal.
32. And the lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.